Oh, okay. Okay, model. And it's got jet ski, you can get massages on the beach, you can buy souvenirs. I love these type of tables, guys. This type of dining room table you get. Yeah, oh gosh, and it like goes in, so that's how you know it's like real wood, but it's not perfect. Yeah. Oh my god, I want to put something like this in a. So $4 is $10.
Yeah. So $60 is $40.
What's a dollar in US here though?
2.6.
Just divide everything by 2.
Okay.
I'm asking. I wasn't a math.
Like their version of saying grace.
I'm done. No.
No, I'm looking at it. I'm like, yo. That makes sense.
Hey guys, don't break it. Say hi to the camera.
Are you recording? Are you taking a picture?
I'm recording.
What's a recording camera?
Yeah.
That's nice. You go after Welcome to my YouTube channel.
It's very, especially the iPhone, it's very common. Very easy.
And it's from false?
Yeah, that's why they started doing Gorilla screens. They started buying Gorilla screens from Samsung. So, and they started putting Gorilla screens for the 14 Go up.
This is where we're getting some food from. Yummy, yummy. What was I gonna say? I'm gonna get the seasoned rice. Britt's gonna get the barbecue pigtails. So what they do is they get their hair and they tie it up in pigtails and then they fry it.
I love pigs. Hops, pigs, all of them.
Oh no, not that type. Breakfast for champs, guys. Oh, I guess actually this is lunch or brunch.
That's what I'm saying, like, I feel so bad. Are we gonna eat at Chirag's? We eat at Chirag's though.
I'm outside, love you the most, you see. When I take talk, but for you more, while I see. That must show you any islands. We have fuck up the place like Ivan. Man, everything.
So we gotta get a brush because I left my brush at home, thought I packed it. And you know we gotta get the gummies. So we're trying this one. And I'm trying this one too because I have to get 2. Yum! I'll let you guys know how it tastes.
These are, whoa, wait, I have no grip on them. Okay. I'll just put it over.
Teamwork, good job guys. That was amazing.
They're just chilling.
Yeah.
And that's island life. Like, that's work for them. Like, no hat, no nothing. That's crazy, though. What do you mean? But.
There. Go. Let's go, guys. You noticed that?
I did.
Oh,
I got it. Okay, you take yours first. Is that fine with you?
oh yeah, but I thought you wanted just to, you know,
I
it's
did.
aesthetic. Just do it again.
Okay. I'm like, I don't know. Sounds terrible.
Oh, the wings definitely look warm. It's like a little sour.
You're welcome.
Mac and cheese.
You do it so seamlessly.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby.
Dang, so she skipped both of you.
Wait, hold on. She skipped you and you.
No, we're going this way now.
She's going this way.
So she skipped both of y'all. So I put down a 1.
Uno.
Ooh, y'all better stop her.
Always the champion in Uno. A hard role I play.
Yes, the colors now.
Right.
So.
För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger av min tid. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig.
Haters. It's alright. They'll look the next one.
Gonzalez.
Okay. You can't even speed on these roads. Trust me, I would. This long road.
Yeah.
This road is not for speed.
Yeah.
Little babies. They're so stinking tiny. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Are those your babies? Oh, wait a second. Are those your babies? Those your babies? Oh, that is so freaking cute. They really are following us. He's still there.
Maybe we should drop something
Oh,
for them. I'll drop my pork and fries.
Oh, wait.
Park here.
Oh, we're here?
You brought the stage to my nights. I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, baby if you make man praise. Oh wow.
Real was very serious, and it was very vivid, very vivid. It's something that you would think that would be in a paranormal activity movie.
Yeah.
But I remember every single thing just like vividly for how it was. Like something was actually opening my door.
Yeah.
While I was about to, as soon as I was about to sleep, it would try to come inside my room.
Some things like that happen because you're being played tricks on by the spirits or things like that. But then sometimes it's happening to push you to a different path.
It didn't push me from a different path. It just made me very depressed. It made me suicidal. It made me very just sad and not knowing what the fuck to do. But those entities, I'm not gonna even say spirits, and they could be demons.
Yeah.
There's something you can't get in the States. So you said cauliflower wings. That sounds good. Have you heard of that before?
I have, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or the oyster mushroom.
She just can't do seafood.
No, it's vegan. It's vegan. No, it's mushroom. It's vegan.
Oh,
it's called oyster mushroom.
Oh, oyster mushroom. Yes, I know them.
You said you recommend the meatball ones, though, right? I'll get that. The meatball ones. Since you recommend that.
What's in the meatballs?
It's a garden meatball.
Wow.
Oh, Gardein.
Yeah. You want to try something else that's like more authentic?
Yeah.
The cauliflower wings. Because you have oyster mushroom in the States, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can try the cauliflower wings.
Hey. Can't wait.
Can you hear me? Nothing much. We're still out. Yeah. We're just gonna get some food and go back. So you can meet us earlier at the house so you can chill out. That is good. Oh, you want him too? Yeah, do you want anything?